Driving is my passion, as well as it is my comfort. Sometimes when I can't dwell the heaviness inside my heart, driving is my first choice. Go to places where my heart and mind can relax. Just like this scenery, it is so healing. We're going on a trip together with my brother to witness the beauty of sunset at Butuan City Police Ports. Upon going, the beautiful sceneries of the trees, the environment, hearing birds singing has already welcomed us. As a matter of fact, I do really love nature, so maybe that is also the reason why I find peace surrounded by it, experiencing the sound of silence and hearing only the sound of nature. I enjoyed being alone and happy with my own company, especially when in times of troubles. A calm environment, seeing people happy, peaceful, and silent, linked with nature, really makes my mood relaxed. And of course, you must not forget to take care of the things that matters. In the name of Yamaha Mio Sporty 125, I love you, Lodi Cakes. Mwah mwah.